Hey guys, it's Alex here. If you're thinking about upgrading to the new ChatGPT Enterprise option, which costs upwards of $200 a month US, I have a more affordable solution that offers just about the same features for a lot less in price. Let me introduce you to the WebUI, an open source interface for various LMS platforms, including locally run ones. I'm running Ollama on my machine, and with Llama 3.2 set up on my machine and Ollama installed, you can leverage the web UI to run it locally, making it much smoother than running it within its terminal environment. Here's an example of how it works. You can input a prompt and get results directly through the web UI. This setup not only allows you to save results locally, but also keeps a record of your chat history, which is incredibly useful. This is amazing. Look at this. This approach is much better than directly running it through the terminal. Plus, it offers so many more options and customizability for your prompts, which is insane. And it even allows you the opportunity to have user-based settings, create your own users, and customize anything. In the options, you can also add a connection to your own OpenAI key. So that way you can use the brand new models that are coming out, like O1 Mini and O1 Preview, without having to pay insane amount of money. Now, how do you install this? You go to the OpenWebUI GitHub repo, and as you can see here, there's a good README file, really well detailed. This is a very up-to-date project and such a great open source alternative to using a web interface like ChatGPT. Now, you can install it using Python, but we're going to use Docker here. So after you have Docker installed, you just run this command line, and I'll make sure you have Ollama installed already as well. And then, as you can see here, the Docker container is loaded. You can open up the images and see that you have the image here, which you can update as well. And then you open up the WebUI model and you can run any model you want. So here's me running the new O1 preview. So that way I can get the same power and leverage the same power as the enterprise versions of ChatGPT within a WebUI interface. And I'm just going to put a prompt in here and see the result. All right, what can O1 preview do that the old GPT-4o cannot? Here we are. So not only can you run your locally stored LLMs on Ollama, you can also run web LLMs through API like OpenAI, and that is actually so amazing to be able to do that. So this is a big win for everyone in the AI community.